Hello everyone. Today Papa and I are coming to you with a tamale taste test. We're going to do the Derby tamales with sauce, pork and chicken, versus the Hormel tamales, beef and chili sauce. And I don't like to waste food, so after we do the taste test, I'm going to show you how to make a tamale casserole, which is very simple. So I'm going to get this prepped and I'll bring you back in a few. Okay, I've taken them out of the cans and put them on the plates. I'm going to remove the wrappers and warm them for, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute. And then we'll have Papa join us. Okay, we're back with Papa. Papa's tasted both of them. Papa, how was the first one?
The first one was okay.
How was the second one?
The second one was okay.
They're both okay?
Yes. If I had my druthers, I would choose the second one. The second one seemed a little more firm than the first one. And if I had to make an observation, I would say the second one was the chicken, the first one was the beef.
Okay. Do you like this one better?
Yes.
All right, let's see which one you chose. The one Papa chose was the Derby. We've never tried that brand before, but now we know. The Derby here is $1.92, and I believe the Hormel was $1.62. And I will add the nutritional labels so you guys can see. One of them had quite a bit more sodium. I believe that was the Hormel. But I'll put the pictures there so you guys can compare. Stick around and I will show you how I make my tamale casserole. Papa, would you like to say bye before I end the video?
Bye.
All right, I'll be back. I tried to add the pictures, but they came out a little distorted, so I'm just going to hold these cans up here for a few minutes. So if you guys want to pause, you can to get the information. This one had the 630 milligrams of the sodium. This was the Derby. The Hormel had 990 milligrams, so it's really high in your sodium. So now I'm going to prep for the casserole. I've got the oven preheating to 350. What you're going to need is your tamales, a can of chili. I chose the no beans because Papa doesn't like beans in his chili. Some chopped up onions, and some cheese, and a little casserole dish. I'm going to go ahead and get these tamales put in the casserole dish, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got the tamales in the dish. Next, I'm going to add that can of chili. Just pour that right on top. Kind of spread it around. And then next, we're going to add the onions. Another variance is you can add corn if you want, but I'm not allowed to eat too much corn. Last time I ate it, I had some issues, so I'm not going to add corn this time. Okay, after you get your onions on there real good, we're going to add our cheese. Okay, now we've got the cheese on. Once the oven heats up, I'm going to put it in for about 15 minutes to get that cheese nice and melted. So hang on, we'll be back. Okay, it's done. It only took 10 minutes for that cheese to get nice and melted. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you all. We truly do. We hope you guys have a great weekend. God bless you. Take care, stay safe, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.